Hi guys, I'm Shane, Master of Elliott Wave Analysis with CEWA Master. Welcome to my channel where you can find high quality Elliott Wave analysis and forecasts in financial markets, especially focusing on the Australian stock market and commodity markets. Additionally, you will learn a lot of valuable knowledge about the Elliott Wave principle. Please subscribe to the channel and support me. If possible, you can also register to open a trading account with XTB Broker through the registration form provided in the video descriptions below to help me maintain the channel. Thank you very much. Hello traders, from today I will regularly broadcast this series. I will cover and analyze the Australian stock market. My approach as a market analyst and risk analyst would be approached by sectors, which is what I do every day anyway. So I think it will be useful to you as well as me, and when I have free time I will publish these videos. First of all, you can review my analysis and my forecasts on the overall outlook for Australian stock market. I have forecasts on XAO, XGO and XSO, the three indices important for Australian stock market. I have it in my Telegram channel and you can join there for free to see about it. And secondly, today I will focus on energy sectors, and here there are three stocks that I will analyze, respectively WDZ, Woodside Energy Group, and STO, Santos Limited, and finally ALD, Ampol Limited. Okay, so we will start with the Woodside Energy Group. The big context two-day chart shows that the major trend is a bearish market. A lot of new lows were made, but that's not the problem. My current wave count shows that we have seen wave 1 and wave 3 circled green has declined, and then the wave 4 started to rally a little higher and it peaked at the 33.08. Well, since that high we are backing the major trend, so to speak the bear market will continue to drop lower as long as the price always remains below the high of the 33.08. This view will always hold. And let's take a look at the shorter term outlook with the 4-hour chart, which shows that more recent price action is still under pressure from the bear market. At least I see that wave 1 blue seems to have bottomed out, followed by the wave 2 blue, which ended at the 31.01. So we are backing wave 3 blue, and I can say that the bear market will continue to move lower. As long as the high of the 31.01 holds, the move higher shows that wave 2 is in fact continuing. Well, moving on, we will see about Santos Limited. Okay, the big context two-day chart shows that the price increased with the leading diagonal pattern, and it ended at the 7.98. Following that, I see the three ways decline labeled A, B, C circled green, and I'm not sure what will happen yet because the leading diagonal usually follows a decline. The support level is around 0.786, where the price is still holding higher, so don't rule out Santos Limited still having the possibility of continuing to fall a bit. So you are looking at their alternate wave count in purple color, and in short, wave B circled green has not ended yet and is still ongoing. So wave C circled green will return to the alternate wave count, and however, I would like to say that I'm expecting a bull market with a wave 3 red moving higher, while the low at the 6.57 holds. And coming to the short-term outlook for our chart, it describes what I'm discussing with you, and well, as I said, there are a few cases to note here. As long as the low of the 6.99 holds higher, the bullish view remains in place. Conversely, when the low of 6.99 is broken, you will see the alternative wave count I described in the big context coming into play. Finally, Ampol Limited, the big context two-day chart shows that the major trend is a bull market. This price increase doesn't look good and is a bit lacking in its strength and sharpness, but it's okay, it's still good. you have the wave 3 circled green, which appears to have ended at the high of the 39.76. Well, what I can say is that there is possibility which are popular retracement targets for the fourth wave, and after the fourth wave ends, you quickly return to the fifth wave with ample limited moving higher. And the short-term outlook, the 4-hour chart, they are depicting exactly what I'm describing with a higher level of detail, but it seems to me that the wave A of the wave 4 circled green seems to have ended. So my expectation is the wave B will soon increase the price higher and aim for the target of the 03822 to 0.5, and then wave C will return lower to complete anti-correction wave 4 circled green. In short, I open to a 4-way dip a little lower before the 5th wave becomes truly bullish again. Well, that's all my update about energy sectors of Australian stock market. Hope it will be useful to you. And so once again, I'm Shane, a master of outlet weight analysis with CAWA Master, and have a great time. Goodbye, my friends.